The most successful organizations don't just work harder, they make smarter decisions when it comes to their people, processes, and technology. That's what effective project and portfolio management is all about. So just how good is your organization at managing projects and portfolios from the lens of people, process, and technology? If you thought your organization had a perfect score in PPM, you would have clicked away from this video already. But you're still here, so let's get right into it. Welcome to our video on determining your portfolio project management maturity, or PPM maturity. After all, understanding where you are today is the first step toward getting better tomorrow. According to a worldwide study on PPM, 42% of IT and business leaders say improving PPM maturity is a key business priority. And organizations with a higher PPM maturity level are 6 times more likely to see strong or unlimited project management scalability. But it all starts with assessing where you're at. A PPM maturity assessment makes it simple. In just 10 minutes, you complete a short self-assessment questionnaire, and your results are benchmarked against industry best practices. An assessment examines how well your organization handles projects and portfolios in terms of people, processes, and technology. It measures your project management office efficiency, otherwise known as your PMO maturity, in these areas against key PPM disciplines, or jobs to be done. These disciplines include strategic planning, demand intake, portfolio prioritization, project sourcing and planning, project and work execution, and portfolio reporting. Each discipline gets a score, and together they help you determine where you can strengthen processes to drive better results. Once you know what's working and what's not, you can target the right areas and start scaling your PPM initiatives. Here are the 5 super important things your team can learn from the results of the assessments. First, it helps you see how you're performing across the main PPM disciplines. Every organization has areas where they're strong and areas that need work. A maturity assessment breaks it down so you can clearly see how you're doing in each one. Second, it helps you see how your organization compares to others in your industry. A maturity assessment lets you benchmark your PPM practices against industry standards and peers. This gives you insight into how others approach PPM and shows you where you might be falling behind. Third, it gives you a clear picture of your strengths and your weaknesses. The results highlight where you're performing well and where issues across people, processes, or technology might be slowing you down or creating risk. With this clarity, you can spot problems early and address them before they grow. Fourth, it helps you figure out which improvements to tackle first. When maturity is low, progress can feel like driving uphill, so the assessment points you in the right direction and shows you where to steer your efforts. From there, you can build a practical, step-by-step improvement roadmap and make a stronger case for training, process updates, or new tools. And finally, it helps you see whether your projects are actually driving your organization toward its goals. The assessment highlights places where your portfolio isn't aligned with your strategy. When everything is prioritized and balanced the right way, teams avoid unnecessary detours and stay on the same path, moving toward meaningful work together. Ultimately, these insights help you make smarter decisions, improve the way work gets done, and move your organization closer to its goals. Now that you know why a maturity assessment matters, the next question is, when should your organization do one? Well, there's no better time than now. The sooner you do it, the sooner you can act on what you learn. Checking in on your PPM maturity is a useful exercise no matter what stage of growth or level of maturity you're in. The best organizations make a habit of it because it shows them what's holding them back and points them toward what to tackle next. Ready to see how your PPM maturity stacks up against industry standards? Smartsheet has a quick 18-question assessment to evaluate your current PPM approach. It only takes 10 minutes, and you get your maturity score right away. Plus, with the Smartsheet Project Management Maturity Scorecard, you get insights on how to improve your ability to deliver impactful projects on time, scope, and budget. You can also get a free consultation with a PPM expert if you're looking for a more detailed review of your maturity score and a customized improvement roadmap. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. So what are you waiting for? Try Smartsheet today.